Hello, Namaste, and a warm welcome to Asha Karaoke 2020. What an event it is going to be! And you are going to be the global witness for all that, because all talented people across the globe from all countries, India, America, and many parts of the world, they are going to participate. वो गाने वाले हैं, उन सब की मेहनत और उन सब की कला इस ग्लोबल मंच पर आपको दिखाई देगी, सुनाई देगी और जज करेंगे बहुत ही अच्छे कंपोजर्स एंड स्टॉलवर्ड्स ऑफ म्यूजिक। और कितना अच्छा एक हेतु है, उद्देश्य है इस कंपटीशन का। द फंड्स रेज्ड आर गोइंग टू बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द एजुकेशन ऑफ अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड चिल्ड्रन इन इंडिया। कहा जाता है कि इंडियंस दुनिया में कहीं भी रहे, उनका दिल हिंदुस्तान के लिए धड़कता है, हिंदुस्तान में धड़कता है। आशा कैरियोके 2020, a beautiful musical competition to bring talent to the fore on the global forum and raising funds for a noble cause, presented to you by Asha Karaoke 2020, brought to you by Asha Foundation, Asha for Education, Princeton Chapter, America, and Pratik Studio.
Namaskar and a warm welcome to a unique evening in these unprecedented times. Hoping each and every one of you is well. You are welcome to a beautiful evening, musical evening. संगीत जो है वो एक राज है जो सबको जुड़ती है. So not only in US but also all over the world, this beautiful event is bringing everybody together. Welcome to Asha Karaoke 2020. Yes, this event is brought to you by Asha for Education, Princeton Chapter, as well as Pratik Studio, and of course on Indus TV. Indus TV is broadcasting this show on their channel. So आराम से बैठ जाओ, चाय पानी जो भी है आराम से बैठ जाओ, जुम्मे की शाम है, आराम से बैठ जाओ and enjoy this evening. So friends, at this time I would like to introduce the mastermind, the person behind the thinking and the planning for this virtual Asha Karaoke 2020. Yes, you guessed it right, Aparna Raut. She's been working on this karaoke competition for a decade and probably more years dedicating to this cause. So Aparna, over to you.
Good evening everyone. Asha for Education is a registered 501c, 503c non-profit organization within United States. It has a near zero overhead as far as volunteers are concerned. In summer of 1991, 3 students from Berkeley, while pursuing their masters, were brainstorming an idea of what core values they can give back to kids in India. That's where Asha for Education was born. Today in 2020, organization has grown to 500 plus projects within India, 1,000 plus volunteers across the globe supporting 50 plus chapters. Organization has donated over $32 million to India. We support kids in underprivileged area where basic facilities of education are not available. Our volunteers do site visits every year to make sure the projects are doing what they're supposed to do. Our partners back in India provide us annual report of all the fundings that's been provided to them and how they are spending. This is a cause that's been supported for many years, and it's a long journey to make India empowered in terms of education, especially in underprivileged areas. We need your support in this journey, and there are various ways you can help us: by organizing fundraisers, by attending our fundraisers, participating in our walkathon, marathon programs, and come up with an idea. You can have your birthday celebrations, your parties, and get the donations collected and donate it to Asha for Education. Looking for your support from individuals across the globe to continue our journey. And I want to thank all the participants who participated today, people who are voting online while the program is going on, and also Indus TV and Pratik Studio to bring this fabulous show to you. I hope you enjoy the show and the evening. Thank you all.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Asha Princeton's first virtual karaoke event. Thank you all so much for donating and supporting this special cause. As you all might know, Asha for Education is a non-profit organization that is completely volunteer-driven. The Princeton chapter works towards promoting education by providing financial assistance and support to the NGOs focused on education projects. Volunteers of Asha work very closely with the project partners in India, while locally organizing fundraisers and community awareness events. The two main projects that Asha Princeton supports include Little Star School and Parmat Samaj Sevi Sanstan, also known as PSSS. The first project, Little Star School, provides for a very small fee a high-quality education for more than 900 children from underprivileged families in Varanasi, India. It is the only school of its kind that goes from pre-nursery all the way till 12th grade. The four most important aspects about this project are: 1. Students here get a complete education with art and music lessons. 2. Every year, teachers' training is conducted by a specialized trainer. These training sessions resulted in a clear improvement in students' learning. 3. This project gives extra care and attention to make sure that girl students are succeeding as well. And last but not least, the chapter provides funding toward the salaries of teachers in the primary schools. The second project, PSSS, is located in the Orai town of Jalaun district, and it is an NGO working in the Bundelkhand region that spans several districts in Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Asha Princeton stepped up to work and partner with PSSS to support initiatives in 6 villages for the implementation of the rights of the inhabitants under the Rights to Education Act, and to provide the infrastructure in the primary and upper primary schools in these villages. Now, you must be wondering, what do we do here in the Princeton chapter? Our main events include a 5K/10K walk or run, the Team Asha Marathon Training Program, the Asha Utsav event, which is a dance competition, and Asha Princeton Karaoke, which is a singing event. You can contribute by either participating in these fundraisers, or attending, or even donating. One small effort on your part can help a child who lives 10,000 miles away. Asha means hope, and it is all about bringing hope through education. And you can be the source of this hope. Thank you.
हम सबको पता है कि कोई भी शुभ काम करने के पहले भगवान से तो प्रार्थना तो होती है, तो आज का ये कार्यक्रम भी will start with a prayer to God. We're going to have a beautiful devotional prayer sung by one and only Anushka Khandelwal. Anushka, please sing this beautiful song to make our event a successful event as well. Anushka Khandelwal.
सच कादम्बरे झूठ से बचे रहे सच कादम्बरे दूसरों के जैसे पहले खुद को जेल करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना।
जज साहब, हमें इस अदालत में मिली है सिर्फ तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख। हाँ, सनी जी का ये डायलॉग, सनी देओल जी का, प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज विद अदर सनी, सनी देओल का ये डायलॉग जो है तारीख पे तारीख, हमारे कंपटीशन के जज पे लागू नहीं होता। हमारे कंपटीशन के जो जजेस हैं वो बड़े दयालु हैं, वो तारीख पे तारीख नहीं सिर्फ तारीफ पे तारीफ देते हैं। मतलब अच्छे टैलेंट को वो अच्छे मार्क्स देते हैं, पॉइंट्स देते हैं। हाँ, जिसने अच्छा परफॉर्म ज्यादा किया है उसको ज्यादा मार्क्स मिलेंगे, लेकिन तारीफ ही मिलेगी, एनकरेजमेंट ही मिलेगा। आशा कैरियोके 2020, आशा फॉर एजुकेशन, प्रतीक स्टूडियो, ये मंच ऐसा है, ग्लोबल मंच है जिसपे जजमेंट होगी तो वो भी बिल्कुल न्याय के साथ। जज साहब, यहाँ पे इंसाफ मिलेगा, बिल्कुल इंसाफ मिलेगा। और एक आज के गणमान्य जज है जिनका परिचय करवाने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिल रहा है। ही इज श्री प्रशांत गिजरे साहब, महाराष्ट्रियन, एंड he has been a great guide to many in USA, especially tri-state area mein. He has been mentoring many students. He himself has been a composer. He has written, composed, produced 5 released Marathi songs, and to his credit he has the first Marathi EDM song completely produced in America. He has been giving music, background score to many theatre plays in Hindi, Marathi for 15 to 20 years. Especially he has a great performance in Pune and now in America. Prashant ji has been judging many competitions, a talented musician playing so many music instruments. ऐसे जबरदस्त जज के जजमेंट के साथ आशा कैरियोके संपन्न हो रहा है आज, और मुझे यकीन है कि जज साहब सबके साथ इंसाफ करेंगे। जानी, प्लीज तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं हमारे गणमान्य श्री प्रशांत गिजरे साहब। कधी आमच्या वाड्यावरती पण एखादं गाणं ऐकवा प्रशांत जी।
Hello my friends, this is an immense pleasure for me to talk about the opportunity that I got from Asha for Education to judge this competition. My name is Prashant Gijare. A short introduction of me. I am a musician, composer, a music teacher in the South Jersey area, and I've been on and off stage for the last 30-35 years doing live shows, karaoke shows, FB lives, you name it. So thanks again Asha for the opportunity. And because of this opportunity I got to see nearly 36 competitors ranging different age groups, and I got to see how they sing, and got an opportunity to judge very neutrally based on pure music capabilities. I hope I did well, but I would like to first start off with the participants, the 36 participants who I would like to commend highly for a couple of reasons. First of all, if this was a normal condition, you would have got into auditorium and recorded or performed on stage. But all of you did right from your home with whatever equipments you had. Some of you had better equipment, some of you did not. But that did not stop you from taking the step to participate, and which I think is the biggest thing. Participating, taking the first step is half battle. Okay, winning and all that, it's a different topic and it can be very sensitive, and everyone has a different opinion. But I think participating in this pandemic, in this tough situation, is the biggest thing I would say for you guys. So you could pat your back on that confidently. Okay, another thing I want to speak quickly about is winning. As you know, there are so many participants. Somebody has to win, others have to unfortunately not. And I would like to address both actually, and I'll start with winners. So for winners, congratulations, you won this competition. Always remember, you won this competition. That does not guarantee the future. Always remember that. Have your feet on the ground, work hard. This winning means within the given group you were successful. There could be some people out there who are better than you who did not participate, right? Always remember that. Always be on the ground, work hard. And for the people who didn't win, this also is the same thing. There were some people who were better than you today in this competition. That does not again have to be true in the future. That means you need to work hard, right? And if you take it in that sense, you will not feel really bad about it. And I can give you a personal example. My son is a choreographer, dancer for his profession in the tri-state area. He has taken parts in many competitions like Z Dance India Dance, and he has not won actually. But that never affected him negatively. He always said, yeah, that's fine. It's another competition. And he won few. And he still came out and said, yeah, we won this time. So have that approach. Work towards your craft, work towards your singing, improve the singing skills rather than focusing on win or lose, because that's momentary. We win today, we lose tomorrow. Just like cricket team also wins sometimes, loses sometimes. It's the same with us. We will win some, we'll win some. But what matters is whether you are refining your skills. So I would urge all of you, winners as well as non-winners, to look into this. Singing is a gift to you, a natural gift to you. Hone it, perfect it, dive deep into it. Work with your teacher. If you don't have a teacher, your hobby, find a good teacher and work with the teacher to make your art beautiful. I'm sure one day you will win. And again, based on what I just said, it may or may not matter also that you won, because you will say, coming out saying, today I won. Let's work on tomorrow. All right. So I will stop right now, but I will again reiterate what I just said. Work on yourself, work on your craft, work on your music. Good luck. Thank you.
Judges का काम काफ़ी मुश्किल होती है. It's definitely a taxing job, and the judges have to pay attention to detail. I take it as my privilege to introduce one of our judges for this evening, Dinesh Mirchandani ji. Dinesh ji, brought up in Amchi, Mumbai, comes from a family of gifted singers, of course. He started stage and private music shows at the age of 6 and has won several national music awards. He actually had his first TV performance when he was 15 and has performed several times on Mumbai Doordarshan and national network television in India. Dinesh ji has over 20 years of training in Hindustani classical training, both in India and in New Jersey. Apart from performing live concerts in pop music, ghazals, filmy music, bhajans and folk music, Dinesh ji has over 15 years of experience as a music instructor at his music school, Sargam Music Academy. Wah, kya baat hai. The school focuses on teaching youth and adults all aspects of North Indian classical and Bollywood music. Dinesh ji, welcome to the show.
Namaste. This is Dinesh Mirchandani, owner and music instructor at Sargam Music Academy based in Edison, New Jersey. And it's been my honor, my privilege, and also I would say a challenge to be a judge for Asha Princeton Chapter's karaoke competition. The reason I say it was a challenge is because there was such excellent talent across all the 3 different categories for 5 to 12 years of age, 13 to 18, as well as 18 plus. So it was very difficult to choose one winner. But we did have a debate and came to a conclusion and a consensus and agreed on a winner. But I must say one more thing, that although we did choose one winner across 3 different categories, to me, everybody, all of you who participated for this very nice charitable cause, is a winner. Everybody, including those behind the scenes who have put this together and helped the foundation to come up with this program for this event, is a winner to me. So I wish Asha a very big success in the future, and all of you who participated in this competition, lots of success in your musical journey forward. Thank you.
A huge thank you to the judges, Prashant Gijre and Dinesh Mirchabdani. Thank you for taking the time, working around the clock with us, and getting all the finalists selected, as well as helping us to select the winners for this evening. Thank you so much. So guys, 36 singers were part of this registration event. Each and every one of you took the time, registered for the event, as well as sent in your videos. The judges took their time, checked out all of you, and came up with 13 finalists who are going to be performing today. And as we start the first category, which is 5 to 12, we're going to get to see a jhalak of the singers that were participating in that category, and then we move on to the finalists of that category.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
And here is a multi-talented performer. जितने अच्छे सिंगर हैं उतने ही अच्छे बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर भी हैं. What a combination, sports and music. दोनों में एनर्जी की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है और परफेक्शन की तो होती है. अर्णव पोफले अपनी उम्र के 5वें साल से म्यूजिक सीख रहे हैं. What I was doing when I was 5, it's going to be very difficult for me to admit. Very difficult indeed. 5वें साल से म्यूजिक सीखना शुरू करना. And look at the proficiency he has achieved by now. बाजीराव मस्तानी का गीत जिन्होंने चुना है. Beautiful composition. All the very best, Arnav.
Oh
पार्टिसिपेंट है, थोड़ी सी मस्ती खोर है। जी हाँ, डेफिनेटली चेक इट आउट, क्योंकि उसका मस्ती जो है गाने में आता है। एंड हर स्माइल इज एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अदिति मादीवाला। अदिति मादीवाला हेल्स फ्रॉम न्यू जर्सी। 10 साल की लड़की है, हाँ, एंड शी इज एक्चुअली बीन सिंगिंग सिंस 3.5 years old, and she actually performed in a kindergarten talent show and loved music. She's picked it up. She says she likes music because daddy sings as well, so enjoy this inspiration from daddy as well. She thanks Asha for education, for what they do for the kids in India, and she's also thanking you all for watching her sing. वो मस्तीखोर लड़की है, एक दीवाना सा मस्ताना सा गाना, yes yes, from Bajirao Mastani. She is going to be singing Diwani Mastani.
नबडोली आली अब जरा, नबडोली आली अब जरा, अजीज़ुंगा सज सज बोले आली 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 गो आली महारानी आली। नज़र जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई।
दोस्तों, I would like to introduce a नन्ही सी प्यारी सी एक परी, Krisha Bhatt. Krisha, 11 years old, and actually has been learning Hindustani classical music for 6 years. Do the math, right? She's actually been performing Hindustani classical and Bollywood music events, and she's actually been on the same stage as Kavita Krishnamurti ji, Bappi Lahiri and Lalit Pandit. Kya baat hai? She says music is her life and she wants to be, get this, a singer. Of course, beautiful Krisha is going to be singing a wonderful, baap re, my god, itni badhiya gana gaane wali hai wo. She's going to be singing Rasme Ulfat, jo hamare one and only Lata Di ne gaya tha. So please welcome with a big round of applause, Krisha Bhatt. आज की जो शाम है एक अनोखा शाम है. It's a unique evening because you're spending time and your time is money, right? And it's being donated for a cause. You are all giving graciously for this beautiful event, and it's actually going to be educating underprivileged child in India. So when we talk about giving education for an underprivileged child, that person is going to get educated, and after getting educated is going to live a quality life. So आप विद्या दान कर रहे हो, but you're also giving zindagi, you're giving a life, a chance for somebody to live a better life. So thank you so much, and if you're thinking about donating, please donate generously. Your donations will be appreciated. There's a link that's going to be probably floating on the screen here for the donation, and also we have a link for the donation in our messages as well. Please check that out. And now we move on to the next category, 13 to 18 years of age. Let's look at all the registrants for this category.
मैं तेनू समझा तेरे बिना तू सफर मेरा
है तू ही मेरी मंजिल, तेरे बिना गुजारा ए दिल है मुश्किल।
ये रात ये चांदनी पे कहाँ, सुन जा दिल की दास्तां। रोज रोज डाली डाली जान की जान, भगरा बाबरा एक पल में ही थम सा गया, तू हाथ में हाथ जो दे गया। आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार की काबिल मुझे, दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा।
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं।
मैं तेनू समझावांगी, ना तेरे बिन लगना जी। तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा।
कहीं दिल वाली बातें भी ना, ना वो सजरी जवानी कहीं, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई।
बाबुला हमार सुनियो जी, सुनियो जी। हंसी बन गए, आलमी बन गए, मेरी आसमां मेरी ज़मीन बन गए। नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली से चमके हाय, ऐसे बेपनामा मुझे गरबा लगा ले। हवा के जैसे चलता है तू, मेरी तुझे से उड़ती हूँ, कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ।
ये हमारी नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट ना, चीनी तो कम नहीं है उसमें। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ अमानी चीनी। Amani Chini is also from South Brunswick, New Jersey. She's always been humming and she's always singing, and she started learning Carnatic classical music when she was 4 years old, and she's also branched out into Western classical. She loves music and she's actually also playing 5 instruments, and she's committed to learn music forever. I think you will definitely go on forever because music is a big ocean, so definitely she's going to be spreading joy through her music, and she is going to be singing a beautiful beautiful song. ये जो संगीत के धागे हैं, she's going to tie them together. Yes, she's going to be singing मोह मोह के धागे.
मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे, मोह मोह के धागे तेरे उंगलियों से जा उलझे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरे उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरे उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे। तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना, तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना, दिन सा है मैं रात आना दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरे उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे। Thank you.
दोस्तों, please with a big round of applause welcome नीति गुप्ते। ये जब गाती है, oh, she captures your soul. Neeti is 18 years old from New Jersey. She has been singing since she's 5 years old and she's been getting trained as well. She's been performing in events in New Jersey. She was actually one of the 12 finalists for Saregama North America in 2015, and she also performed in Saregama Kannada. She's been doing many events. ZTV ke Times Square Diwali event, maybe she was there, and she's actually shared the stage with many Bollywood celebrities like Saroj Khan ji, Anand ji, Padmini Kolhapure, Bapi Lahiri, Kavita Krishnamurthy, to name some. She gets guidance from Mahesh Kaleji down here in New Jersey. Please welcome Neeti Gupte. Her song today, एक खूबसूरत सा गाना है. जी हाँ, from the movie खूबसूरत, Piya Bavari. Here we go, Neeti Gupte.
नंदन वन झुम छनन तझुम तझुम गति था, लिए रंग सब सखा संग मन में उमंग गति भंग था, खेलत भुज मेलत लपट झपट राधा ललिता चंदा बलियो बोर रंग घोर सर बोर बनवारी, मैं हारी जा जारी, मैं हारी जा जारी, मैं हारी जा जारी।
डार
Asha Karaoke 2020, Asha for Education and Pratik Studio. What a combination and what a presentation. Online competition, and you are listening very, very talented singers across the globe. Ab bari hai, please put your hands together for Nikhil Kundu, a school graduate, high school graduate from New Jersey, learning music past 10 years. He sings Bollywood songs, classical songs, Hindi and Bengali songs. आपकी आवाज़ से तो सब लोगों को भालोबाशा होने वाला है. निखिल लेकर आ रहे हैं एक ऐसा डिफिकल्ट गीत, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक पर बेस्ड, मन्ना दा का गाया हुआ. राज कपूर साहब ने जिसे पेश किया था, ये कहते हो कि लागा चुनरी में दाग छिपाऊं कैसे. ही इज डेडिकेटिंग दिस सॉन्ग टू ऑल द पॉलिटिशियंस इन द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि उनके चुनरी में जो दाग लगे हैं वो धोते धोते भी नहीं साफ होते हैं. Anyways, welcome Nikhil Kundu.
चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग, चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, घर जाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग. कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी, मैल है माया जाल. कोरी चुनरिया आत्मा मोरी, मैल है माया जाल. हो दुनिया मोरे बाबुल का घर, ये दुनिया ससुराल. हाँ जाके बाबुल से नजर मिलाऊं कैसे, घर जाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग छुपाऊं कैसे, लागा चुनरी में दाग. dim dana na dire tanu dana dire na dim dana na dire ta dum ta dire na dim dana na dire ta dum ta dire na dim ta dire tani ta ta tum re ta ta re tani tani dim dana na 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 dire dire de tani 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 dim dana na dire tanu dana dire na dim dana na dire ta dum ta dire na sapna surane 3 gram bansi baje re sa ni sani ni da ta ma pa ma ga माधा गा ममा गरे सा धादा किरदा चरण धरन धरत पाग परत नहीं परन झाझरे जन के जनन जनन नादिर धिम तनु नना नना तना नना नादिर तना नदिर तनु ता नादिर नादिम तना नदिर ता धूम तादिर नादिम तना नदिर ता Nadir dum dir dim dana na dim dana na dim dana na dir dum dana na dir dum dana na dir dum dana na nadir de tum dir nadir de tum dir tum dir tum dir tum dir tum de tum da de tum da de tum da de tum da dhadir dum da grandha dhadir dum da grandha dhadir dum da grandha dim dana na dir tanum dana dir na dim dana na dir tanum dana dir na dim dana na dir tanum dana dir na dim dana na dir ta dum da dir na dim dana na dir ta
और देवियों और सज्जनों, ये कंपटीशन बहुत ही कमाल की हो रही है. अब हॉट सीट पे, अब कहिए कि हॉट स्टेज पर अब बारी है एक बहुत ही टैलेंटेड सिंगर की, जिनका नाम है प्रियल गर्ग. सॉरी, मैं कुछ इतने बड़े मेगा स्टार की वॉइस निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा था जो जमी नहीं। लेकिन अब जो परफॉर्मर आ रही है वो ऐसी एक ग्रेट मेस्ट्रो के गीत को पेश करेगी तो आप बोलेंगी जम गई बात। प्रियल गर्ग हियर, जो पिछले 7 साल से म्यूजिक सीख रही है और साथ ही साथ बहुत ही अच्छी डांसर भी है। तो डांस एंड म्यूजिक दोनों में रिदम है, दोनों में मेलोडी है, दोनों में एनर्जी है, दोनों में परफेक्शन है, परफॉर्मेंस है। ओवर टू प्रियल गर्ग। I'm very happy to see many entries from South India. Not because I am a South Indian myself. Nanu obba Kannadiga anta sumne khushi padta illa. Nijwaglu ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Indeed, South India में हर घर में म्यूजिक होता है। सुबह MS सुब्बलक्ष्मी अम्मा के स्तोत्र से शुरू होकर रात तक हर फेस्टिवल में, हर ओकेजन में संगीत होता है, स्पेशली क्लासिकल। तो एक ऐसी क्लासिकली ट्रेंड सिंगर गायिका आज हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत होने जा रही है। पद्मावत का बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग गाना उन्होंने चुना है। वो क्लासिकल और लाइट बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक के साथ साथ अमेरिकन जॉनर के भी कई गाने बहुत खूब तरीके से गाती है। आज देखते हैं क्या जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस वो करेगी और जिनके लिए प्रेज हमारे दिल से निकलेगा, यानी स्तुति हमारे मन से निकलेगी। ओवर टू स्तुति विश्वनाथन।
नैनों वाले ने नैनों वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला, चरकाई मधुशाला, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया। नैनों वाले ने नैनों वाले ने नैनों वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला, चरकाई मधुशाला, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया। पग पग डोलो रे हो, पग पग डोलो रे, जगमग सी में चलती, वो जगमग लो से जलती, तेरे नैनों के कैसी मदिरा, तर तर कापूर तेरे पैर से चिपती, चंदन पे नाग से लिपटी, मैं बेहोश तो नशा, ऐसी मोह की दशा, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया। नैनों वाले ने नैनों वाले ने नैनों वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला, छलकाई मधुशाला, मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया।
And as we know, any event cannot be successful without the sponsors. So we would like to take a moment to thank all our sponsors. Janvi Rani from Rani's Dental Clinic, Rajeshwari Umatala, Sujay Nair, New York Life Insurance, Sameer Madiwala, Priya Krishnan, Rajesh Bajaj, Rajesh Shah. A special thank you to Inspire Academy for organizing SWAY event for Asha for Education. So let's move on to the last category of the evening. Are you guys excited? Yes, this is the 18 plus category and वो कहते हैं कि हम adults हैं, तो just because they're 18 plus, अरे दिल के सब बच्चे ही होते हैं. But before we move on to the finalists, let's take a झलक किन किनों ने register किया था 18 plus category में. Here you go.
यूं तड़पती न तड़पा मुझे बार बार कोई आता है, धीरे धीरे मचल है दिल बेकरार. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना
अलबेला सजन आयो रे, अलबेला सजन आयो रे, मोरात मन सुख पायो रे, अलबेला सजन आयो रे।
चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों।
मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास पड़ा है।
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने, भारत ने मेरे भारत ने, दुनिया को तब गिनती आई। तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई।
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ।
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुंडी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल तुम तराने चुप के कुहू कुहू बोले कोयलिया, कुहू कुहू बोले कोयलिया, कुंज कुंज में भौरे डोले, गुनगुन बोले आ, कुहू कुहू बोले कोयलिया।
अब है सामने जिसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए।
तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, हाँ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग है।
तेरे नाम हमने किया है जीवन अपना सारा सनम, हो जीवन अपना सारा सनम।
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी।
Now that you got to see who was part of the registration for the 18+ category, are you ready to see the finalists? And you're going to get to check their performance as well. Here we go with the first finalist for 18+ category. जी हाँ, please welcome our next contestant, Apurva Srivastava. She hails from the Pink City, जी हाँ, Jaipur, Rajasthan. She moved to US in 2009. She's been learning classical music since then, and she's actually won some awards, national as well as state level. She is going to be singing a beautiful, beautiful song, and वो जो कहता है वो गाना कि हम सब आप साथ हो तो जिंदगी बनती है, जी हाँ, फ्रॉम द मूवी तमाशा, अगर तुम साथ हो।
जाओ दिल ये संभल
अगर तुम साथ हो।
And here comes a participant from Amchi, Mumbai, Ashish Kumar. ये सिर्फ एक गायक नहीं है, ऑफ कोर्स म्यूजिक तो उनका शौक है, लेकिन ही इज अ वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड सिविल इंजीनियर एंड ऑल्सो एंटरप्रेन्योर। 25 साल से ज़्यादा इनकी अपनी कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी है मुंबई में। अगर कहीं मुंबई में जगह लेनी हो तो आशीष कुंवर जी को तुरंत संपर्क कीजिए। मैंने ऑलरेडी उनका नंबर सेव कर लिया है। आशीष जी खार जिमखाना जो मुंबई का एक बहुत ही मशहूर जिमखाना है, यहाँ पे म्यूजिक, कल्चर, स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी होती है, वहाँ के एक मुख्य गायक कलाकार हैं। रेगुलरली वहाँ पे म्यूजिक एक्टिविटीज़ वो करते हैं। आज एक बहुत ही इमोशनल गाना इन्होंने चुना है। मुझे लगता है कि कॉलेज के कैंटीन में किसी हसीना ने इनको देखा तो इनका दिल धड़का। उनके लिए जॉनी मेरा नाम कहते हुए उन्होंने ये गीत सुनाया था, लेकिन ये एक अलग फिल्म का गाना है। कुंवर साहब पेश कीजिए।
जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँगी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी जुबान भी वो लफ्ज ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ सा हसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया। शौकियों में डूबी अदाएं चेहरे से झलकी हुई है, जुल्फों की घनी घनी घटाएं शान से झलकी हुई है। लहराता चल है जैसे बादल, बाहों में भरी है जैसे चांदनी, रूप की चांदनी। मैं अगर कहूँ ये दिलकशी है नहीं कहीं न होगी कभी, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ।
Let me introduce you to our next singer, Hamir Ruparao. Chemical engineering, PhD in chemical engineering in Columbia University. Actually, जी हाँ, नहीं, मैं म्यूजिक के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ, don't worry. He is trained in Hindustani classical music. Actually has attained his Sangeet Visharad Part 1. क्या बात है. He actually enjoys performing all genres of Indian music. He 50s and 60s के गाने हो या 2000s के गाने हो तो सब वो perform करते हैं. And he actually lives in Chadsford, Pennsylvania. he is going to be singing. Yes, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? He's going to be singing Shankar Mahadevan ka famous song Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi. Kya baat hai? Please get your hands together and welcome Hamir Ruparel.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गान चतुराय गान प्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुखाय गानमटाय गानोत्सुख मनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परितात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीत साराय गीत तत्वाय गीत गोत्राय धीमहि गूढ़ गुल्फाय गन्धमटाय गोजय प्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Please welcome our next finalist, Reshma Vishwanathan. Reshma is actually a student of music and enjoys singing all tarha ke gaane. Actually, she says her family is called the One Trap family क्योंकि बच्चे और मियाँ बीवी सब गाते हैं. Everybody is engrossed in music. Awesome, that's really good to know. Music is a bond that ties their family together, she says. Yes, she's going to be singing. Oh my gosh, मेरा favorite गाना है जो Jewel Thief का गाना है. Jewel Thief के गाने सब अच्छे थे. ये जो गाना है वो कहता है ये जो रात है ना अकेली है क्या? जी हाँ, रात अकेली है. रेशमा विश्वनाथन.
रात अकेली है बुझ गए दिए आके मेरे पास कानों में मेरे जो भी चाहे कहिए जो भी चाहे कहिए. रात अकेली है बुझ गए दिए आके
नायक नहीं विनायक हूं मैं। आई एम सॉरी, मैं नायक भी हूं विनायक भी हूं। विनायक नायक, क्या बात है। मतलब नाम में ही रिदम है, तो फिर आवाज में क्यों नहीं होगा। रिदम भी है, मेलोडी भी है, पूरे परिवार में है। भाई साहब उनके तो कॉलेज गोइंग किड्स हैं, वो भी गाते हैं, पत्नी भी गाती हैं, और घर में 4 cats है एंड मेनी हैट्स हैं। मेनी हैट्स मतलब कितने कॉम्पिटिशन उन्होंने जीते हैं। ही इज एन एविड सिंगर, म्यूजिक के परम भक्त है। प्लीज वेलकम अ हैप्पी फैमिली के हैप्पी हेड ऑफ द फैमिली। उनकी पत्नी की परमिशन से कह रहा हूं कि वो हेड है फैमिली के, और बहुत ही अच्छे प्यारे इंसान। प्लीज वेलकम विनायक नायक।
तुझको मैं रख दूं वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन। मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं। ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं। बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं। ले जाए जाने कहाँ, न मुझको खबर न तुझको पता। ओ बनाती है जो तू वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले। इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले ख्यालों का शहर। तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है हमारे हक में। वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं हवाएं हवाएं। न जाने क्या बताए हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं। ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए जाने कहाँ। न मुझको खबर न तुझको पता।
You sang so well. It's gonna be a tough job for the judges. What do you say? Judges का काम काफी मुश्किल है। मुकद्दर का सिकंदर यानी winner तो जरूर होगा। Get ready to hear who the winners are gonna be. There's gonna be one winner in each of the categories. Are you guys ready? जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं आज आशा फॉर एजुकेशन। एजुकेशन यानी विद्या। विद्या के बारे में बात करें तो कहते कि विद्या ददाति विनयम, यानी education makes you humble. Education makes you know that you don't know enough, right? And vidya agnana andhakaram दूरी करोति. That means education actually gets rid of ignorance. And I think from ignorance gets a lot of revealing facts about life, and you're able to come up with a plan to lead a better life. Yes, ये जो विद्या दान होती है एक जिंदगी बनाती है. So you are actually not only donating for education, yes, underprivileged kids getting education, but you're actually giving the gift of life, the gift of zindagi, किसी का जिंदगी बना रहे हो. So my humble request to you, please, please, please donate generously. The donation link is in our comments and is also on Asha for Education website, and there's also Asha for Education Princeton chapter Facebook page. So please donate generously.
Asha for Education and Pratik Studio present this beautiful online competition, Asha Karaoke 2020. And what performances we have all enjoyed. Beautiful performances across the globe. Participants coming across the globe. And our judges really might have had a tough time. And a big surprise now, and what a privilege for all of us, that to announce the winners of this competition, this online contest, we have none other than a great composer, singer, and one of the greatest human beings, जिनके बारे में कहा जाता है the man with golden heart. इन्होंने न सिर्फ अपने संगीत के जरिए प्यार बरसाया है, लेकिन अपने कला के जरिए, अपनी मेहनत से कमाए हुए धन के जरिए उन्होंने देश भर में सेवा की है. जितने भी NGOs उनके पास आते हैं, उनके लिए उन्होंने हमेशा अपना सहयोग दिया है. One and only, put your hands together for the great Shankar Mahadevan sir. Shankar ji, as Shankar Ehsaan Loy, the musical trio, has created history in Indian cinema music, especially in Hindi cinema. चाहे वो Breathless हो, चाहे दिल चाहता जैसी दोस्ती और प्यार की स्टोरी हो, या फिर स्पिरिचुअल गणनायका हो, शंकर जी ने हमेशा हम सबके दिल में एक जगह बनाई है. And it's a great honor that he has accepted this invitation and request of Asha for Education to be the Mahaguru for this competition. He is going to announce the winner. Let's welcome and let's say thank you to the great Shankar Mahadevan sir.
Hi everybody. I am very happy to announce the results of the Asha 2020 karaoke event. This event was in support of the Princeton chapter for Asha for Education. The winners are as follows. Okay, the first category, the category is for the age group between 5 and 12, junior. And the winner is Krisha Bhatt. The second category is seniors, that is between the age group 13 to 18. The winner is Priyal Garg. And the final category, that is 18 plus adults category, we have a tie. And the winners are Hamir Ruparel and Reshma Vishwanathan. Congratulations all the winners. I'm sure that all of you are extremely happy, but I'd like to congratulate also each and every participant, because I think in a competition, participation is much more important than winning the competition. So I'm glad that all of you all participated. I hope you all had a great time in this competition. Wishing all of you all loads of luck and peace and prosperity in the years to come. I hope all of you all stay safe. Wish you all the very best. God bless.
Congratulations! How exciting was that moment for us to have Shankar Mahadevan ji to be announcing the results. My God, you are so lucky कि शंकर जी ने आपका नाम लिया और आपको ज्ञान दिया, संगीत का blessings दिया है. So Congratulations again to the winners, and a huge tahe dil se thank you to Shankar ji for taking the time and being part of this amazing cause and helping us announce the winners. Thank you, Shankar ji. There you go, guys. Congratulations to all the winners. We hope you continue your musical journey and wish you the best. Music is that soulmate that will never quit on you. So enjoy this. We would also at this point to tahe dil se, from the bottom of our hearts, thank each and every one of you who registered, who took part, who donated, supported, and of course is viewing this program with us. Time is money and very precious. Thank you for spending that time on this beautiful Friday evening. Ye jo Jumme ki raat thi. Thank you so much for spending that with us. By the way, People's Choice Award is also going to be announced in a day or two, so stay right there. A huge thank you to Vijay Garg of Indus TV for supporting this cause and helping us broadcast this on their channel. Asha for Education and Prateek Studio doing amazing work in the world of music. And Sanjay Shah. Sanjay, thank you so much for supporting this event and helping do all the groundwork and the planning and the running around to get this event to be what it is today. Good night, Shubh Ratri, Shabba Khair.